Hi guys, welcome to my adventure corner. I hope you enjoyed my drone. We exposed her to some extra payload. We gave her some more load just to carry that's just some fruits, and she was able to take off. I hope you saw the flight that she took. She went up with these fruits, these cute fruits. So that means she can bring you water, she can bring you whatever you want. So I hope you enjoyed that flight. If you didn't see the flight that she took, make sure you can go back on this platform and watch that or under Adventure Corner, and also you can go to Girls for STEM and watch it. I hope you enjoyed it. So the drone was able to carry these fruits on top of her. Interesting, guys. It was amazing to watch her and just to see what she did. And if you are interested seeing what she did, please let me know. Leave a comment down below. Okay, ciao ciao.